How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Congratulations.
Welcome to Fiji and welcome to Suva.
Thank you. My second visit.
Second visit, yes.
Yeah, this is great. Thank you.
Sorry.
Now, indigenous art from Australia. There we go.
It's meant to represent the growth and the spirituality and the organic nature of the relationship.
Yes, I got that as well. Did you get that from just looking at it?
From the Kimberley.
That's very
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll leave that with you. Now, tell me about this. That's a kava bowl.
Cover ball,
Yeah.
across the club.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much, Prime Minister.
Thank you.
I'll put that in my Parliament House,
Thank
in
you.
my Pacific corner. Okay. Well, I'll see you later.
Thank you, Minister.
That's so much.
We'll catch up this afternoon.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay.